Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 600 Pro, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab one of these, a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have the plastic wrapping around the metal bit. If it does, you can just cut it off. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, or right over here. And you want to utilize the hole that is part of this cutout right here. That's our tray. So right here where the pin is holding right now. So you want to push it in. And you can see when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray, you have space for just 2 SIM cards. No SD card support whatsoever. So grab your SIM. Now you can occupy tray either on the top or bottom. This doesn't really matter as long as you're not also planning to use eSIM. If you're planning to use eSIM, the bottom tray will be turned off and swapped out for eSIM. And this bottom tray basically is interchangeable. You can use either physical card or eSIM. And if you enable in the settings eSIM, this is automatically off, even if you haven't added an actual eSIM. While the top tray, which is labeled as SIM1, does not fall under the same kind of criteria. So even if you have eSIM enabled, the top tray, SIM number 1, always accepts a SIM card, always detects it, and works. Anyway, clipping your card into the tray correctly. It should not be protruding from it, and if you flip it upside down, it should definitely stay on that tray. And from there, pop it back into your device. And said card should start working almost right away. There we go. There's our SIM card pin, which I will need to confirm to unlock my SIM card. And that's it. That's all we need to do. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.